Yes, thank you again for watching. My name is Cece with Cece & Company, and today with great pleasure I bring to you a good friend of mine, Manuel Corral with Golden Empire Mortgage. He is nominated one of the top 1% originators in the nation, which he can be found in the Scotsman's Guide. So with that introduction, I'd like to introduce to you Manuel Corral.
Thank you, Cece.
You're welcome, Manuel. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy schedule to answer a few questions for our consumers and all of our friends out there.
My pleasure.
So Manny, can you tell us a little bit about your experience and how long you've been in the business?
Sure. I've been originating loans since 1985. I've been with Golden Empire Mortgage for 17 years, and I've run the Pomona branch for 11 years.
Great. So Manuel, there's a lot of lenders out there that won't even consider looking at someone's financials, history, or even run their credit at that point. And can you explain to us why someone would do that and what would you do different?
For me, it's all about preparation. It's all about setting the stage for your customer's success. And how we do that is we go through what we call a core four. And we're going to review a client's income. We're going to take a look at their credit situation, analyze their credit, take a look at their cash to close, and lastly, look at a client's payment goals. Everything we do is centered around their core values and the client's expectations. I think that goes a long way with setting the stage for success.
Absolutely. He just said it. He's setting the stage up for success. I love that. And Manuel, can you tell us the advantage of going through getting a pre-approval versus just an ordinary pre-qualification letter?
Oh yeah. The pre-qualification letters typically aren't worth the paper they're written on. You want to definitely, as you're a consumer today, you want to go out and get a pre-approval. That's where a lender is going to take a look at your financial package, your tax returns, your pay stubs, your W-2s, break down your deposits. I would strongly suggest that clients go out and get a pre-approval rather than a pre-qualification letter.
That's great. I agree. And Manuel, can you tell us a little bit about what the difference is between working with a mortgage broker versus just a lender?
Absolutely. With a mortgage broker, typically they'll take the application, process part of the loan, and then submit the loan for approval. They'll typically have to outsource that part of it. Whereas a direct lender, that's what mortgage bankers are, they're direct lenders. We actually take care of the entire process within the four walls of our organization, and nothing is sent out. So therefore, we have more control over the transaction.
So what you're saying to me is that if I were to give you a call and you're doing the loan, I can give you a call and you're going to know exactly what's happening on the transaction through the life of the transaction.
Absolutely. My team would handle that in our case. But yes, they'll know exactly where the transaction is at all stages.
That's wonderful. Now, Manny, can you share with us anything else that you could possibly think of that will help a buyer through the process?
Just a few quick tips. Cash deposits are definitely a no-no for us. No cash deposits. Keep your credit card balances low. Don't close any credit cards out right now, especially before you buy a home. Okay. And then I think lastly, it's all about preparation. Just prepare.
Perfect. Well, you heard it again from Manuel Corral at Golden Empire Mortgage, and thank you again for watching, and remember, Cece